Skipper Chris here from Sailing Yacht Saga. We are on a passage at the moment from Newport down the Long Island Sound to New York. But today I'm going to talk about testing of the MOB1 AIS device from Ocean Signal. Making sure that your safety equipment is working and that you know how to use it is one of the pillars of safety at sea. On Saga 47 Swan sailing, one of our key components of our person overboard recovery procedure is not to lose sight of the casualty. Therefore, in our opinion, an AIS device is like the MOB1 AIS is a must, as it will help you not lose sight of the casualty even in big seas or at night. All our PFDs, life jackets, are fitted with the MOB1 AIS device from Ocean Signal. Remember, a person do not die from falling into the water, they die from staying there. So a swift recovery is a must. Let's have a look at the testing of the MOB1 AIS device from Ocean Signal. Okay, so testing the AIS MOB1 device, remove the protective cover. And then for the functional test, we press the T, it will start to flash red, and then we release it. Let go. And then we get a strobe, and then we get a green light. Green light indicates all good. If it's an amber light, that indicates that the device is still working, but you need to think about changing the batteries in your AIS device. There's a table in the manual. The numbers of flashes indicate how much battery is left. The next test is the DSC Transmission Test. Again, we press the T, it will start to flash red. After about 5 seconds, it becomes steady, and then we release. So, press, flashing red, and then we wait about 5 seconds. It should become steady. We can release. And there we have the DSC test call on our VHF radio. And again, we got a green light, so all is okay here. After you have done the MOB1 AIS DSC Transmission Test, you can also check on your VHF. You go to the lock, and then we have distress and we have others. And this was a test call, so it's a routine call, so we go into others. And there we have it, individual call. And there's a number of our MOB1 AIS device. The last test is the AIS Transmission Test, or AIS GPS Transmission Test. Again, you press the T, it will start to flash red. Then after 5 seconds it becomes steady. And after another 5 seconds it starts to flash slowly, and then you release. Important for this test is to do it outside. So I'm going to go outside and do this test. Bear with me. So Skipper Chris again here, he's outside to test the AIS transmission. So we press the button, it will start to flash red, then it becomes steady after 5 seconds. There we go. And then we wait for it to slowly start flashing. There, slowly flashing, then we can release. And then we wait for it to find the satellites. And then we will hear on our plotter, it's trying. Ah, there we are. Everything is beeping downstairs. Let's go downstairs and see what's happening. It's coming down the stairs. We are on a passage down the Long Island Sound. So I'll show you here what we have. Oh, there we go. We cannot really see it. It's flashing, and it says AIS safety message. Test, MOB test. Also here on our displays here we have MOB test. Okay, so I had to lose a layer because of all this running up and down. But let's just do a recap. Very important that you know your safety equipment and how it works, and test it as per the recommendation of the supplier. For the AIS MOB1 from Ocean Signal. That means a monthly functional test, and then you have the DSC Transmission Test and the AIS GPS Test that you can do up to twice a year. I suggest, yeah, we are on a passage, so the wind just picked up. We have now 25 knots of wind outside, so maybe I should go up and see Natalie. Just want to finish. So I suggest that you do the test, all the tests as part of your service of your personal flotation device. And then maybe you can do an additional test of the AIS GPS prior to any big ocean passes that you have later in the year. Stay safe, and I'll see you at the high seas.